Hello student, moving ahead in the chapter we will discuss about insurance. Okay, so insurance and telecom service, the two things. Okay, so what does insurance means? Firstly, let us understand about it. We are familiar with, just taking a general term, I've got an insurance of my bike. Okay, so after 2 days or 3 days my bike is stolen. So if I am having that insurance, uh, I can claim to a particular party, the third party. Okay, then I will get compensation for that. If I'm not having that insurance, then no one can bear that loss. So the compensation which I am getting in the form of money, that's the important thing. Okay, that's why insurance is done. So moving on with the language of the book. In the contract of insurance, the insured must be suffer the damage or claim or loss to claim the compensation. See, that's the meaning. Okay, that if a person is ready to claim, the third party, the insurance company is ready to compensate, in that case the particular thing is insured. Okay, so types of insurance, we are here with the types of insurance. There are four types of insurance: life insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance, and health insurance. First one, life insurance. We have heard about life insurance. Okay, what does life insurance means? Just taking an example of LIC. Okay, their slogan is जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी. So life insurance, they cover insurance of the particular life, that in between if you die, your some amount will be given to your nominee. Okay, so life insurance is covered. Next thing is fire insurance. If a fire catches in a warehouse or a godown, so the insurance which can be claimed using the fire insurance policy. Okay, next is marine insurance. Suppose I am importing wheat. Okay, importing and exporting, that gets vanished due to water. Sudden tide comes and vanish my all wheat, so I will get an insurance. Okay, if that insurance is there, I will get the claim amount. Okay, I will get the amount back. If that insurance is not there, I cannot use it. Okay, next one is health insurance. What does it means? If I am at the, many ads are coming regarding this health insurance in this coronavirus pandemic. Okay, so health insurance, if I am having sickness of particular thing, a company is liable to pay the amount. Okay, this was regarding the types of insurance. This life insurance, fire insurance, marine, and health insurance. The next thing is telecom service. See, telecom service is related to the all the service which are provided to the television, mobiles, and all. Okay, so firstly let us see India vision to become IT superpower. India is having a aim to become a superpower in particular IT field is the year 2025. Okay, the first one comes is the cellular mobile service. Everyone is using mobile, so no need to go in detail about it. So mobile which we are using, that's all the cellular based. Next thing is radio. The people of the previous generation were using this kind of radio where transmission was taking place. Antenna was provided and through that satellite was connected. Next thing is cable service. It is operated in the licensed area where the government grant a license to a particular for the entertainment purpose. Just taking an example of the Indian Army. Okay. Next one is the cable service. Just taking an example of the Indian Army. Okay, they are provided with this kind of facility. A cable service is provided to them in the form of licensed area. Okay, government gives the license to a particular sector of people, a particular sector of area where they can operate. A brief knowledge about is given to the general. Fixed line service. Just take an example of the BSNL. Okay, BSNL line, different line was there, and one it was connected to the different kinds of poles, and we were talking. Okay, the landline phones. This was about the fixed line services, which plays an important aspect. Next is direct to home. Everyone is having the direct to home DTH service. Okay, we put an antenna and set-top box near our television or LED, and from there the antenna which catches the signal from the satellite, that is only the direct to home. It is coming direct to our home, which is the short form is DTH. Okay, this was regarding the business service insurance. What is insurance? In contract of the insurance, The insurer must suffer damage or loss to claim the compensation. Types of insurance: life insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance, health insurance. These are the types of insurance. Telecom service. India vision to become IT superpower in the year 2025. We need to perform our activity so that we can be IT superpower in the year 2025. First one is cellular mobile service. Second is radio tagging service, cable service. Next one is fixed line service, and fifth one is direct to home. This was all regarding the business services chapter. So here we have end our chapter business service. Okay. So thank you for this chapter.